Namaste friends. Administration of processed gold in children is a unique practice mentioned in Ayurveda as Swarna Prashana. Ayurveda recommends only purified and processed form of gold for internal administration. Swarna Prashana is the Ayurvedic way of vaccination promoted by many Ayurvedic professionals. In Lehana Adhyaya of Kashyapa Samhita, Swarna Prashana formulation is mentioned. Swarna Prashana is one among the Shodasa Samskara and one of the powerful method to improve immunity in children. It is also known by Swarnamruta Prashana, Swarna Bindu Prashana. Improving immunity and developing intelligence in the early years is imperative for the well-being of child. Some experts suggest immune system is not fully developed until a child is approximately 12 to 14 years of age. Swarna Prashana is a great gift to parents in their effort towards improving their children's intelligence and immunity. Benefits of Swarna Prashana: Meda Vardhana, improvement in intelligence; Agni Vardhana, improvement in digestion; Bala Vardhana, improvement in strength and immunity; Ayushya Vardhana, improvement in life expectancy; Mangala, Punya, auspicious; Vrusha, aphrodisiac; Grahapala, protects from bad effect of planets. Age recommended for Swarna Prashana. Classics recommended Swarna Prashana from the time of birth to 16 years. Swarna Prashana is two ways: Pushya Nakshatra Swarna Prashana and Anudina Swarna Prashana. Pushya Nakshatra Swarna Prashana is widely practiced. Pushya Nakshatra Swarna Prashana, which is given only on the Pushya Nakshatra day, which is once in 28 days approximately. Why only on Pushya Nakshatra? Pushya Nakshatra is given a lot of significance in Ayurvedic classics for various important purposes like collection of herbs and preparation of medicine. So Pushya Nakshatra day is considered as a good day to administer Swarna Prashana. Most common ingredients of Swarna Prashana are gold, vacha, Shankapushpi, Brahmi, Ashwagandha, honey, cow's ghee, etc. Timing to administer Swarna Prashana. It is ideal to administer early in the morning on empty stomach, but since the ingredients are processed to make it highly absorbable and bioavailable, it can be given in the later part of the day. Do Swarna Prashana have any side effects? Till now, no side effects have been reported. Is it safe to give gold basma to children? Let's understand it. Basma means ash obtained through incineration. Gold is purified and processed with incorporation of some other minerals or herbal extract to ensure further safety. Intake of gold basma is not same as intake of gold as a metal. National Center for Biotechnology Information has conducted detailed study on gold basma circulation. I have given the article link in the description box. Do check it out. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe the channel.